Folks, East 9 is halfway up a mountainside today. Hiking it today though. No cable cars, no gondolas. I was going to do what these chaps are doing. I changed my mind, because that's verging on away with it. But they seem to know what they're doing. Good luck to them. Cracking day again. And we're heading not beyond that. It's a guest house or eating place of some sort. So we're heading. Bit of scenery again though. There's Mayrhofen down there. The river's there. And there's the mountaineering track. A couple of young chaps coming up there a wee while. About 10-year-old by the looks of them, when I seen them earlier. Good on them. So we've been. That's where we're heading. So, good luck lads.